If your YSI EXO is not communicating with the NexSens data logger, follow along to get your data back online. First, you'll want to confirm whether the Sonde itself is experiencing an issue or if there is a telemetry outage. In WQ Data Live, check the last contact time and primary power. A red icon indicates lost communication. If so, view the X3 Communications troubleshooting video linked in the description for help. A green icon indicates the logger is communicating and the issue is related to the Sonde's power supply, connection to the data logger, or sensors. Check the power history using WQ Data's reporting tool. Ensure the power is sufficient for Sonde operation. For internal batteries, 1.8 volts for the EXO1 and EXO3, 3.6 volts for the EXO2, and 11.5 volts if powered by the data logger. If all Sonde measurements are reporting 0, there is an issue with one or more sensors and the Sonde should be inspected. Visit the field site and inspect the Sonde, cable connection, and power supply for physical damage. If installed, remove batteries from the Sonde. For X3 data loggers, unplug the Sonde from its current port and plug it into the P0 port for constant power. This will also reset the Sonde. The Sonde LEDs should illuminate. If not, the Sonde's function should be confirmed on a computer. On legacy NexSens loggers, contact NexSens for assistance. Following YSI instructions, connect the Sonde to core software using the supplied USB adapter. Check all sensors and confirm the deployment template is correct and matches WQ Data's parameter list. If you are still unable to restore communications, contact a NexSens system specialist for help at the links in the description. NexSens. Better data. It's never been easier.